Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. I'm here at 11th Cloud Expo. I have with me Mike Desai from Ping Identity. Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening, Jeremy.
The 11th Cloud Expo. And actually, Ping has been with us a little while now. How many of these do you think you've done?
This is probably our third year. It's been a very productive show so far, and we're happy to be here.
And we're talking like after about an hour and a half, it should be said, but that's a good sign.
It's great. It's great. It's definitely happy to be here, and great traffic at the booth. So
now, obvious question, Mike. People come up, they look at you, they say, Ping ID. What is it you guys do?
Good question. So companies today have customers and employees that require access to internal applications as well as cloud applications. And what that does for IT is creates a challenge. How do you manage users who want access to those applications across multiple domains and whatnot? So Ping Identity basically solves that problem, and it has a solution that helps you manage identities.
And am I going to be right in concluding that this is, as you've laser focused on that problem, I can be reassured that with, that many people working on just this one domain, surely you've figured it out?
Yes, we have. We've been around for 10 years plus, and so we have over 1,000 customers, and we have customers that range from small businesses to large Fortune 1000 companies, as well as government agencies and world's leading SaaS companies, including Salesforce, Google, and Box.
These are not small customers.
No, not at all, not at all.
So we can conclude Ping ID is highly recommended. What about from a product point of view? How do you productize this? How do you get to people so they understand, oh, we need that. That's what we need.
Right. So one of the challenges that enterprises and businesses focus on today is, should we go with an on-premise solution or a cloud-based solution? So we at Ping Identity offer both types of solutions. So enterprises that want tighter control around access to those cloud applications and infrastructure that's going to touch their identity, we offer an on-premise solution.
Right.
And for small businesses who are looking to outsource their overall identity management infrastructure, we offer a cloud-based solution. And for some customers, we offer both.
So you don't have an axe to grind, you don't have an agenda. They present what their architecture is, and your job is to say, okay, well, then we could proceed as follows.
That's exactly it. We based on the customer's requirements, what their IT requirements are. So we sit down and have a conversation with the IT folks and figure out what exactly they're looking for.
And then, is an engagement with Ping Identity, does it involve you then support it ad infinitum? How does that work? It's one thing to say you're SaaS, but you support it for as long as it's needed.
Absolutely. One of the things that we offer and that differentiates Ping from other solutions is we have world-class support. So we offer a concierge service. So we have support organization that's located throughout the world, follow the sun model. Yep. So when customers are looking to deploy the federated identity management solution, our support team can get on the phone or go on site and help them deploy.
Nice. And 10 years old, so what would the next 10 years hold? Like when you're drilling a hole and getting better and better at something, does the market go on? Can it go on getting bigger, or have you got to come and do something else as well?
Well, I wish I had a crystal ball, but it's been a great year for Ping. We've seen a tremendous interest in this space. A lot of players are getting into this space, and along with releasing several new versions of our flagship product, Ping Federate, this year we released a cloud-based solution, which is the world's first standards-based identity management as a service platform.
So that's no small achievement.
No, not at all. And our whole goal here is to provide enterprises the ability to quickly SSO enable their apps within minutes.
Well, as you know, Cloud Expo, we have this enterprise focus. I'd like to think that this is a real tsunami now coming, and that really we've just seen the beginning of this for us and for you.
Yes, absolutely. And the conversations we've had today, everybody from large customers that are already customers of Ping to potential prospects, that's been tremendous, and we're very happy to be here.
Well, let's imagine that the people watching this at home are thinking, I wanted to go and see those guys. What website are we going to send them to, and what should they look for there?
Sure, great question. So you can go to pingidentity.com, and we have website that includes a wide variety of information. If you're just getting into the single sign-on space, we have 101 demo as well as we have a YouTube channel that gives you sort of an overview on Federation.
There you are. A personal invitation from the Senior Director Mike Desai himself, the SSO guru, here at Cloud Expo in Silicon Valley. Thanks so much for speaking with us, Mike.
Jeremy.
And thank you for following along out there. Oh, I can't say it. Following along out there on the World Wide Web.